Hello, Marathon family. Hope you guys are good. Many people ask me about deportation. Deportation itself is a lifetime ban. People say, what type of deportation? Itchy bitchy. I'm telling you, don't worry about it. Deportation, any type, is a lifetime ban. Some people say, Kareem, we had an ID, we had everything, but they just caught us. They caught you, they deported you. Means they put a ban on you. And they don't want old people to come back, but because there are new people flying every day to UAE. Why would, UAE is a small country. Dubai is a very small city. Many people fly there every day. Thousands of people, I'm not lying, from Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, every country has flights to Dubai. And every day, people are going to UAE. How many numbers? Thousands of numbers. Why would they want an old person who they've deported to come back when they're getting new, fresh, young blood and people to work? Please think wisely. Don't waste your time and money in looking for ways to go back. And when you apply for visas, they get rejected. I'm sorry to say this. Deportation is a lifetime ban. You agree or disagree. If you disagree, you lose your own money. Not me. It's you who lose your money by trying and also lose your time. For me, I'm transparent and straightforward. You won't like what I'm saying, but believe me, to help you to take a better move rather than just thinking about UAE and going back over there. I hope I'm clear. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as always say, God bless Africa. One love.